Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.14.2. Today we will work on your English listening and reading comprehension via 3 of our conversation topics for English learners activities. So this lesson is very important because it builds up your listening comprehension. That is very important to have, a listening comprehension in English, because you'll be able to understand what's on radio, what's on television, when people call you on the telephone, when people speak with you. Listening is a very important skill, and understanding what you hear in English is very important. So, first, you watch the video, read the text below, then translate the text in your primary language. So, first you watch the video.
Are you an avid sports fan?
And after you watch the video, you read the text. After you read the text in English, you translate it into your primary language. After you translate it, you go back to English, and you go to part 2, and you repeat. You watch the video, you read the text in English, you translate. Then you go to part 3. You watch the video, you read the text in English, then you translate the text in your language. Okay? So after you're done with this, then you can tell us what you learned in the comment section here. Just write your comment, write your name, write your email, and click post comment. All right, students? Thank you for working so hard. I really appreciate you being so focused, and I wish you the best.